Learn how to start using Google Colab, a powerful cloud-based platform for coding and data analysis. Step 1. What is Google Colab? Google Colab is a cloud-based tool that allows you to run Python code without any setup. It's great for data science, machine learning, and collaborative projects. Step 2. Accessing Google Colab. Go to https://colab.research.google.com and log in with your Google account. Step 3. Creating a new notebook. Click on File, New Notebook to start a fresh Python notebook. Step 4. The interface in Colab. You'll work with code cells for Python code and text cells for notes. Use plus code or plus text to add new cells. Step 5. Running code. Click the play button or use Shift plus Enter to run your code. Step 6. Using GPUs and TPUs. Go to Runtime, change runtime type, select GPU or TPU, and speed up heavy computations. Step 7. Saving and sharing Colab automatically saves to Google Drive. To share, click Share in the top right. Google Colab is a powerful and free platform for coding and collaboration. Start using it today for your projects. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Let us know if you have questions in the comments.